Hey, what's up everybody? Still working on the Tonto. I'm waiting for some carbon fiber because it got messed up. But I want to try something new that I bought. This is fake steel, like from Lowe's. Just a big old hollow grind I was practicing. But I did buy from, I wish I knew the name. I'll post it down below. An abrasives company. It's like Scotch-Brite, but it's has some kind of adhesive in it. But it's really cool for getting a satin finish. So this has got the scuff marks and scratches, probably because it had a dirty belt. And my wobbly wheel chops away. Still working on that wheel. Chops away, so it kind of leaves those funny marks. So I'll try and hold my phone. I'm filming with my phone for who knows why, and show you what this belt does. See that wonderful wobbly wheel. So that's obviously that side. Yeah, it's kind of hard to tell. Probably need a little more polishing on that side. Anyway, you see the difference there. So yeah, I am working on the next Tonto video. Hopefully it'll be finished in that video. But I'm waiting on parts, so hang in there.